I'm Brent Dennis, and I serve all of you as the Director of Parks, Recreation, and Marine. I'm going to share with you one of my favorite books, and it's entitled Tree Full of Wonder, and it's authored by Anna Smithers, and the illustrations are beautiful, and it's illustrated by Martina Naiman. So enjoy. I'd like to introduce you to a dear old friend I know. It lives out in our garden during sunshine, rain, and snow. I'll offer you a little clue to guess just what it is. When winds are blowing through its limbs, I swear I hear it hiss. What's that? You need another clue to help you take a guess? In fall, it drops its leaves and makes the garden look a mess. It's magical and colorful in summer, fall, and spring. It's something I appreciate much more than anything. Well, that was fast. Yes, you were right. The answer is a tree. I'll tell you why I love it so. Please listen carefully. It's magical. When we breathe out, the tree is breathing in, converting breath to oxygen with power from within. Communicating through their roots, the trees can say hello and share the nutrients they need to help each other grow. Without the trees, the weather could be dangerous and strange. They help protect our planet from unfriendly climate change. Trees also give us wood to make all kinds of useful things. The homes we live in, cool new books, and children's wooden swings. Some trees have nuts and others treats like fig, pear, and cherry. They make us grow so big and strong, making us feel merry. Our trees are not just useful, they can also be great fun. I love to swing on branches in the warmth of summer sun. Perhaps I'll build a tree house and watch wildlife all around. I might spy deer or foxes as the birds sing out their songs. Some trees live for 100 years, some trees for even more. But all of them hide stories full of magic, love, and war. One story says a tree was prized in 1651 for helping out a two-time king when he was on the run. The Civil War was lost, but Charles II slipped away. When captors came, he hid inside the royal oak all day. In recent years, I've noticed we cut more trees than we need. It's not too late to fix it, but it's time to plant the seed. I love to plant new trees with all my friends who come around. We dig the holes together and place saplings in the ground. The little trees need water every day to help them grow. Their branches reach up high because of thirsty roots below. If we all show the beauty and importance of the trees, then we can make a difference. Really, it will be a breeze. So next time that you see some trees, remember what they do. They've helped us through the ages. Now we must help them too. With gratitude inside my heart, I hug my lovely tree. It's full of wonder, magic, love. It's just like you and me. Well, you can tell why I just love this book. You know, my favorite holiday is Arbor Day, and I look forward to working with lots of people across the community to expand our urban forests by planting more trees. Trees Full of Wonder, great book. I hope you enjoyed it.